Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This video is about Booleans. So far you've probably seen two types of Python data, ints and floats. You've probably used arithmetic operators like addition and exponentiation to work with these values. Another type is bool, which is used to represent the values true and false. So bool is an abbreviation of Boolean. Boolean algebra is a branch of algebra dealing with variables whose values are true or false. Boolean algebra was named after the inventor George Boole, and it's pretty much, it basically underpins all digital devices, and it's pretty much in every line of code. Boolean logic has truly transformed the way we live. And so we can assign Boolean values like this. Of course, by itself, it's not very useful, but we can also use comparison operators to compare values and produce a Boolean result. So here, 60 is not greater than 100, so printing the result provides the Boolean false, and it's always good to see a full list of the comparison operators in Python. All right, now here's an example that evaluates whether age is within the range of a millennial. So you can imagine the age 28 being placed in both of these categories. Then, if both are true, true will be assigned to the variable is millennial. So in other words, if the person is older than 22 and younger than 38, this person is a millennial. And here's not an action inversing the Boolean type of the same statement.